we're going to look at some different calculations involving solutions. And I just want to remind you about what a solution is. A solution is a homogeneous mixture, and it has to have a solvent and a solute. And for us, our solvent is always water. We're dissolving everything in water. And the solute is whatever we're dissolving in the water. So if we have an aqueous solution of sodium chloride is our solute. Okay, I'm going to erase that because I need to put up the definition of molarity. Molarity is a measure of concentration, and of course if something's concentrated it means it has more solute dissolved, and so molarity is defined as moles of solute per liters of solution, the total. And we use a capital M. It needs to be a capital M for that. And also, just for example, if we have three with the capital M sodium chloride, we would read that 3 molar sodium chloride. Okay, so as an adjective, it's molar. Molarity is the noun of the concentration. Okay, erase that. Okay, that's one simple calculation would be to calculate molarity. Another type or types of calculations are in conversion factors. So this little map is for conversion factors. We have a conversion factor already between grams and moles, and it is the molar mass. So that we can do. Now we need a new conversion factor between moles and liters. This is liters of solution. And that's molarity. We just talked about molarity up here. It's a conversion factor between moles and liters. So we will put molarity here. Okay, one other equation that we'll be using is when we're doing a dilution. And just to be clear, dilution is where you have an existing solution that is more concentrated and you add water to it or more solvent to it to dilute it. And the equation that we use is this. In this, the ones are for before you add the water, and the twos are for after you add the water. Of course, the capital M is molarity, so the concentration, and the V's are volume. As far as units go, this equation is made for molarity, but honestly, the equation works the same for any other unit of concentration, like percent by mass or percent by volume or whatever, grams per 100 milliliters. There's different units. As long as they are the same unit of concentration, and we'll just be using molarity. But for the volume, it also can be the same. We will switch a little bit. You could use milliliters for your volume or liters for your volume. Those are the two common ones, but you could also use quarts for both volumes as long as they match.